change of x, you can write dx by dt. So with respect to time, there is a tiny change, is called the rate of change. Rate of change of y, we can write here dy by dt. This is called the rate of change of y. The above one, rate of change of x. Before doing this, we needed to read the question first, what actually the context in this question. The volume of the right circular cone is increasing at a rate. So we know the volume formula. Volume is actually right circular cone 1/3. We needed to know this, pi r square h. This is the volume of the cone. R stands for radius and h is the height of this cone. It is given 24 centimeter cube per second, which actually volume is changing with respect to time, given here dv by dt. So we can write it 24. This value is given 24 centimeter cube per second. The question is asking us the radius of the base of the cone is, so this is the one information, radius of the base of the cone is always half height of the cone. So we can write here r equals to half of the height of the cone, so h by 2. This is the relation always take place in this equation. And the question is, our key word is the rate of increase of the height. It means that they are asking actually dh by dt is what? Rate of change of height. That is our goal, to find out dh by dt. So first doing that, an insignificant figure they ask already. When the radius of the base is given 8 centimeter, this is the value of r. So radius given. Though this is the equation relevant with the rate of change of height, we needed to convert the whole equation in terms of h first. So let me put in our first equation, replace the r, we can write it 1/3 pi, and r is h by 2. Let me write here h by 2 whole square into h. So from there we can write the final equation pi h cube, because h square and h cube, and 3 into 4, which is 12. So that is the volume expression in terms of h. Now the relation with the rate of change of volume and rate of change of the height, you can write like this, dv by dt. This is our main equation, which you can write dv by v is relevant with the h, dv by dh into dh by dt. So this is our thing to find out from here. dv by dt already given 24. So dv by dh you needed to find out differentiation of with respect to h, and the volume expression is given that. So let you differentiate first. dv by dh, we can write it pi by 12 is a constant, and 3h square, which gives us, we can cut out, so pi h square divided by 4 pi by h square by 4. So that is our expression for the dv by dh, and dv by dt is given there, and we needed to put here the value of h. Radius is 8 centimeter given, so our value of h is h. Let me find out the value of h. H we can write from here h you can write 2r. So put your value of radius, which is 8. So we got from here 4, 8 to the 16. Now put this value of h in this equation, then we got from here pi into 16 square divided by 4. So this is our value. We can use calculator to do that, for get our value. Let me use the calculator here. So this is our calculator. So we can write it, say, which is pi, so shift pi into 16 square divided by 4. We got from here 64 pi. Let me write the 64 pi. So now we are going to put our value and make dh by dt as a subject. dv by dt, dv by dt is 24. Let me put it 24 equals to dv by dh. We got 64 pi and into dh by dt. Now make dh by dt as a subject, dh by dt as a subject. So our final 24 divided by 64 pi. So our target is to, the question is asking you to find out three significant figure. So if we wanted to write as exact, we can write it like this: 24 by 64. Let you use calculator. 24 by 64, 24 divided by 64, it gives us 3 by 8. So we can write our answer 3 by 8 pi if we want to write answer in exact, and which unit is centimeter per second, definitely, because height respect to time. But the question here is asking you to find the answer in three significant figure. So let it do like that. So what is the answer coming out? We needed to put our value 24. Better to use calculator, because without calculator it's not possible to find out. This is three significant, definitely 0.119. 0.119 is our answer. 0.119 centimeter per second. Hope it is clear the way we did. So main definition is here. This is the define. We prepared 2 or 3 questions from here for your understanding. This is the second question. Area of the pool is given there, and then another one like this. First part is the differentiation, then rate of change of x we are going to find out, and another question I have given plan to discuss with you, why increasing at a rate, and the question is asking to rate of change of x. So our keyword is rate of change of x here, or rate of change of y. Similar expression you can apply here. So in this question number 2, it is written here the area of the circular pool. We know formula for the area, pi r square. Let me write it, pi r square, and increasing at a constant rate 20. So it's the information given dA by dt, area with respect to time increasing with a constant rate which is 20 given. The question is rate of increase of the radius, means we are going to find out dr by dt is what. So let me write the relation first. dA by dt, we can write it dA by dr in this time, because A is written with respect to r, and into dr by dt. It's easy to bear in your mind. You can cut out dr by dt, dr from the both side, and the dA by dt is remaining here. So this is our equation. So we needed to differentiate dA by dr. I'm very much sure that if you see my wall working, definitely you would understand this. So 2 pi r, but we need to put the value of radius. But here the area, when the area is given 36 centimeter square, so we know the formula for area is pi r square radius equals to 36. So from here we needed to find out the value of r, which is 36 by pi. Then we need to make the square root. Let me find out this answer by using our calculator. So which we can write here 36 by pi whole cube, right? Yeah. So square root of 36 inside the 36, below is pi. So we got from here 3.39. Is it the 36 by pi r square? Definitely 36 by pi, then square root. Yeah, 36 by pi, then square root. We got from here 3.39. We can better to write here is more values to get the more accurate answer in the answer part. So we are going to use here 3.385 for the radius, which is 3.385. This is the radius. Now all the values we are going to put here, which is dA by dt is given 20, we got from here, and another expression 2 pi r. Let me write here dA by dr, which is 2 pi r, 2 pi and its radius is 3.385, and we are going to find out dr by dt. Actually dr by dt we need to make as a subject, dr by dt, and we're going to use calculator again. 20 divided by twice pi, 3.385. So let me check what it would come from here. Twice pi into 3.385, 3.385. We got from here 0.94. So write there 0.94. 0.94. This is 3 significant figure answer. 0.940, or we can write 2 significant with the differentiation. It is written here y equals to this one. We are doing the rates of change. Y equals to that. So first of this part it is written here as a y. So better to use here UV rule to get the dy by dx. So u is here, we can write here x minus 5, and v is here, which is twice x plus 5 to the power half. Now differentiate dy by dx. We got from here 1, dv by dx accordingly half of 2x plus 5 to the power half minus 1 minus half, and inside the bracket if we differentiate we got from here 2, so then we can cut out 2 and 2. The final expression we would get from here, which you can write 2x plus 5 to the power half, because it is written here negative half. So now the formula for differentiation, we know u dv by dx plus v du by dx. We are going to put the value, because u is x minus 5 into that expression dv by dx, which is 1 by root 2, you can write here twice x plus 5. Root and half, power half is the same thing, we know that. And v is given here, which is, we can write directly root of 2x plus 5, and this is v, and du by dx is 1. Okay, let me write the 1. Now we needed to simplify that expression. Here is the denominator root 2x plus 5, and on the top we can write here x minus 5 plus root x plus 5, and root x plus 5 it makes 2x plus 5, because root we needed to multiply root 2x plus 5 and another one 2x plus 5, both are with the square root. So if we multiply both of them, hope you got it, 2 x plus 5 we can write here as a whole square, so it cancel out. From here we got 2x plus 5. That's why I wrote this is 2x plus 5 directly, this expression. Okay, finally we got from here, which is 5 and 5 can cancel out, 3x divided by root 2x plus 5. So this is our expression, so we can find our value. We got it, which is 3. We can write from there. The expression is written kx by that one. This is the first part of this question. Now the second part of this question, it is written there, when x equals to change, y changing with 3 units per second. If y changing, so it means that value of dy by dt is given there, which is 3 units per second. But the question is asking us rate of change when x equals to 10. The question is asking dx by dt. This is our keyword. What is the dx by dt? Rate of change in x. So let me write the formula again. Dy by dt, we know that, which is dy by dx into dx by dt. Okay, dy by dt is given here. Dy by dt, rate of change, yeah, dy by dt is 3 given, put it there. And dy by dx, I can use our that expression for dy by dx. We already have the expression dy by dx. This is our dy by dx. So 3, and x value you can put from there, which is 10 directly. 3 into 10 divided by root 2 into 10 plus 5. Okay, yeah, into dx by dt. We're going to find out that value. Okay, now let it do it. 3 equals to, you can write on the top, it is 30 divided by 20 plus 5 is 25. We got from here 5 into dx by dt. So 5 6. So finally we can leave our answer. Dx rate of change of x is, which is 3 by 6. We got from here height or 0.5, and its unit would be at the unit, so nothing written as a centimeter or meter, so we can write here unit per second. Definitely unit per second. This is our answer of this question. This is the third question. Y is increasing at a rate. Let me write the relation. dy by dt is given. dy by dt, which you can write dy by dt is 0.15. Yeah, when x going to find the rate of change of x, means dx by dt they are asking. What is the dx by dt value? This is the question they would ask us to do it. So our relation of the again we need to differentiate y the expression y, you can write it, say x square plus 1 to the power minus 3. So let me differentiate dy by dx, which is minus 3 x square plus 1 to the power minus 4 into, inside the bracket if we differentiate, we got from here 2x. So finally you can write minus 6x, 3 to the 6x divided by x square plus 1 to the power 4. That is our expression of dy by dx in this equation. Now let you put the value of x 1, then what would you get from here? Minus 6 into 1 divided by 1 square plus 1 to the power 4, which is minus 6 by 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 is 16. So we got from here minus 3 over 8. Now let me write our equation, the equation rate of change of x. So same way we need to write dy by dt equals to dy by dx, because x is relevant with the y is relevant with the x, and dx by dt. Rate of change of x, the question is rate of change of x. This is we are going to find out. So let me put our value. Dy by dt, it is given 0.15 equals to dy by dx, which is minus 3 by 8. Let me use it, 3 by 8 into dx by dt. So make dy by dx dt as a subject, which is minus 0.15 into 8 divided by 3. So we can use our calculator for doing that. Let's see, it's covered by the calculator. Let me do it. Negative 0.15 into 8 divided by 3, which is 2.5, or we can write minus 0.24, minus, its answer is minus 0.4. The past part, like before, for your practice, there is a worksheet has been uploaded in the Go description below, so you can by just one click you can you can get it in your computer or PC. And next video we are going to explain the second derivative.